At one point or another, you're going to have work done on your vehicle. When you have that work done at Angela Krause Ford and Lincoln, you don't just get the problem taken care of, you get a little something extra too. Angela Krause Ford and Lincoln's Owner Advantage Rewards program. When your vehicle is serviced with us, you will earn points that you can apply towards your next vehicle. All your Angela Krause Ford and Lincoln points can really add up. Now you can roll select rebates you'll earn on the works, tires, and other services into your rewards account. That's enough to make you look forward to car problems. At Angela Krause Ford and Lincoln Owner Advantage Rewards program, it's another part of the Krause family promise and another reason to buy your next vehicle at Angela Krause Ford or Lincoln. Angela Krause Ford or Lincoln, home of the doggone good deal. And oh yeah, thanks for your business.